Very good morning to all of my dear students, parents, and other people who are preparing for competitive examinations. For a longer time, I was thinking that many of the students, especially on Saturday and Sunday, they are staying in their home. Of course, we agree that on Saturday and Sunday, or especially on Sunday, it is celebrated in our India as Family Day. We all uh, want to be along with our family. But simultaneously, if I think that if the students community they are concentrating more on their academics, whether it is in school or whether they are in college or whether they are preparing for competitive examinations, I thought that if some time they will be in a position to spare, and if I can help them in gaining required skill and proficiency with respect to mathematics, solving questions on mathematics, even I will be telling them that how fast they can add, how fast they can multiply, how fast they can divide. Some basics skills, if they will be having more proficiency, because simultaneously in examination they need to utilize all those mathematical algebraic operations, and then only questions will be solved. Simultaneously for science, some basic science up to 10th standard science everybody should know. I will be telling them specifically. So I will be taking reference of the syllabus which is mentioned in CBSE and ICSE for giving them this proficiency. Simultaneously, some of the students who wants to go to abroad later on, they need to appear in English examinations. They need to pass in any one of the tests, which is IELTS, PTE, GRE, TOEFL. For moving to various countries, these tests are very much necessary, and they should pass this test, uh, which will be having the test components as reading, writing, and even speaking also. Listening also it is there. Listening, reading, writing, and speaking. It is called LSRW. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So that test will be conducted for English. I want to prepare them. I want to give them an opportunity to have the proficiency on these particular areas. Simultaneously, many of these students they are coming and they are saying that they want to move to North India. Many times they are getting an opportunity in Delhi or in some other places, Mumbai. They are interested to learn an additional language, Hindi. I will be very happy to teach them and give them the knowledge of Hindi so that they will be in a position to manage. Of course, reading and writing will not be required for them, it may be only spoken Hindi. Of course, they are highly welcome to my Sanjanvi Skilling Center. On behalf of all students and parents, I want to welcome everyone in my Sanjanvi Skills Center, which is located in Periyapudur, Algapuram, Salem, Tamil Nadu, near to Putra Gaundar Kalyan Mandapam or Padayappa Kalyan Mandapam. The center is located. You all are wholeheartedly welcome and invited to visit my center and utilize the facility which is available there. Thank you. Thank you very much.